In early as post-ancient era, traditional dressing in most clans, tribes, and local communities in Solomon Islands are treasured as signs of value and meaning in life in which they live and governed. Our women, girls, men, and boys in the traditional dressing features the identity of respect. They are commonly traditional wears or clothing are grass skates and tapa from the bark of trees, banana leaf. All this has the most significant value attached in us the land, clan, tribe, and garden. Apart from our traditional clothing, we also do wear custom accessories such as seli, money, bakia, and other ornaments and costumes. They are symbolizing of festivals, ceremonies, in special occasions such as feasting, dancing, bride price ceremonies. These traditional dressing and clothing process from the very own inhabitant of the land and sea.
This one he meaning made of bandanas within the mud, then boiling, and then him got color, using for decoration for time any special feast or making bride price. And this one him titlo oposo kadora using for trading no before. And this one him shell money also using for paying bride price for girls, young girls. And this grass cake him made of tree, baklo tree, or how to use it, or the cotton tree, chopple tree, then put in roasting. After few days, they came, then not hit him lo I mean not make him lo so then him spread out, then not just take him what a grass, use it for grass cakes and used before. And this one him banana leaves. Before that using for using. And this one's him bango handmade from the shells or the seashells for decoration. This basket used for putting kakai inside, betel nuts, coconuts or fruits, or using basket for carrying kakai.
Okay, this one when we wear him for time of pain gele, or using or the young gele with time of pain over time. Also using this one, and also using 2 time out of the special occasions. He made up of the shells. This one he made up for shells, same decoration. This one he made up of shells too. Also I wear them with the occasions too. Also I wear them and time open get it. Also I wear this one. This one him banana leaf where all the before start using for cover hot woman or girls for cover hot. This one him grass cake, they made up of buffalo tree, where or before start using 2 for wearing.
This one, lo custom hemi ot kolema seli hemi where me warem both lo left and right and lo hand and leg. I have some significant status with chief and the sell money hemi some authority with chief where no the community we have look after. So hemi not hemi part of dress code where hemi so status with chief and what other elder people inside the community.
However, globalization and influences of traditional dress code in Solomon Islands a spike in pre-colonial era and in recent times. The globalization in the cultural spheres has destroyed the identity of traditional dress code and becomes not a useful wear in today's contemporary society in Solomon Islands. The power of globalization in which the colony, religion and development brings a shift to the dressing and what we see today, decent and indecent dressing. Indecent dressing is one of the debatable issues most in Solomon Islands. Local communities, young generations are indisciplined, causes the rise of social problems, especially youth involved and engaged in drugs and alcohol in both rural and urban centers. The deployment of technologies such as the new media and mobile appliances, online alliances, networking, and new lifestyle, new consumption patterns in use of resources. The solutions that draw upon Solomon knowledge and creative practices face a lot of challenges. All manner of Solomon Islands, local leaders at all levels, today is a widespread of social dislocations, especially of abuse and neglect. Many young people faced with such a crisis at a deeper and more profound level of life's meaning and values and necessary preoccupations with the dress habits of the youth populations, especially in rural areas where culture is said to be conservative. Let us not forget the plainness that dress like other ingredients of culture such as the language, music, and artifacts reflect the generational transmission of values of identity in Solomon Islands society. Let us not forget too that inspired leadership can catalyze behavior change in those being led, with all sectors of society playing their part in the project of moral regeneration. The proclamations of a dress code for any segment would be an idle exercise. The innovative to integrate the traditional and contemporary dressing is one that best reflective of cultural identity. Education and awareness. Let us be reminded the home as the first school of life and parents as the first teachers remain the primary source of moral development for children as they advance through life.